Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we're going to talk about text formatting. Make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you everything you need to know about text formatting. Let's get started. So I already create my housekeeping over here, which is text formatting. If you don't know what I mean by text formatting, if you don't know what I mean by housekeeping, actually, sorry for that. If you don't know what I mean by housekeeping, make sure you watch my first video so you can understand what I mean by housekeeping. So let's create our index.html. So which I'm going to be index.html. So let's use the HTML shortcut. So which is going to be what, HTML5. So now, what is text formatting? So I'll be say welcome to Brian view. So now let's go live over here. So we're going to say text formatting. So let me put an hyphen over here. So now, what is text formatting? In HTML, you can format text using various tags that define the structure and appearance of the content. So you can actually format text using the various elements I'm about to show you. So let's start from this. So H1 should be, this is normal text. So if I want this normal text to be italic, then I'll make use of what, high. So if I also want this text over here to be what, bold, then I'll make use of what, strong. So now I will not advise you to copy and paste, which means to please just type so that you can get used to it. So let's type. This is, so I'll show you another method how you can make a text to be bold as well. So you can just make use of P, then paste it inside. So if you actually want to underline, this is underline text. So I'll make use of what, Shield to underline. So we also have strike through. This is, sorry, so this is what, strike through text. So you make use of S, then can you see that we can also make use of this also. So let me zoom in a little bit so we can see it. So we can also make use of strike over here. Can you see that? So this is normal text. Now if we make use of EM, now look what's going to happen, just like italic. So we also have mark, sorry, this is mark text. So now this mark text is going to come with a yellow background color by default, but if you want to, we can actually change it. So if you want to change it by making use of what, our styling, then background color should be what, brown. Can you see that? So you can change it to as well, but let's keep it default. So we also have, so let me, okay, we also have this is superscript. So by if we make use of sub, no, sorry, can you see that? We also have subscript as well. So if I change this to the sub, can you see that? Now we also have, this is block code text. Now let me add my T. Now if I add this, now look what's going to happen. Can you see that? We also have, this is code what text. So if I actually add code, can you see that? So we also have, this is, let's just say normal text. So if I make use of this TT, now look what's going to happen. Sorry, so let's just, I guess I don't copy that. Can you see that? So we also have, maybe if you want to delete something, this is deleted text. So we can just make use of this delete element, which can do that as well. Now let me show you some cool tips, some useful tips about text formatting which most developers don't know out there. Don't get me wrong, actually, me myself, I don't know everything, but like I said, I've trained like almost 100 students, so I actually know most of everything beginners need to know. So if you watch this video to the end, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, so I'll keep making good videos like this. So now let me just show you what we have, or call this. Now we have cool stuff. Are you guys with me? We have cool stuff we can do with HTML element, which most people don't know out there. Most people feel okay, it's just JavaScript, but we actually have cool stuff on what we can use with HTML element. Now I'll show you this element. Now let's say you want a scenario whereby you are building a website. You want a scenario whereby you want the user to see the rules and regulation of your website. So once the user comes to your website, so the user is going to see, okay, these are the rules and regulations, but you don't actually want these to be public. It's actually public by default, but you want a scenario whereby the user is going to click on the button and it's going to read the rules and regulations. So we have what we call details. Now this detail is going to come with this play button over here. Now what if I want to change this default name? We have what we call summary. So can you see that? So may I add click me? Can you see that we have this? So then maybe this is the rules and regulation, for instance. So once the user click me, it's going to read the rules and regulation of the website as well. So now we also have, now let's say you want a scenario whereby the user can actually edit text on your website. Now we are going to make use of this. Now this is a block element. If you don't understand what I mean by block element, make sure you check my videos so you can understand what I mean by block element. I talk about inline element and block element as well. So we can say you can edit me. Okay, so let me make this to be uppercase. So we need to come to this greater than and add now. If you look at this, you can actually edit it. So they're just good parts. We should add true. So I can come over here and say thank you. So that's just it. Thank you. So which I add semicolon as well. So now we have what we call progress. Now let me show you how progress works. So if I add progress, now progress is going to come with something like this. Maybe something is loading. So what if it's loading now, we actually don't want it to keep moving around, we have what we call value. So we can add value. value to, like I said, the value should be what, 20. Can you see that? Then the max is going to be what, 100. So you can actually add this here, 20% completed. Can you see that? So we also have, now let me also show you some cool stuff. Let me show you another cool stuff as well. So let me make use of this. Sorry. Okay, this is it. Now, so this behavior is optional. You can just add alternative. So let me just write welcome to my work. Welcome to, let's write welcome to buying. Sorry. Welcome. Okay, welcome to buying view. Can you see that? Welcome to buying view. Now you can actually specify that you start from right. I guess I'll be using this. So can you see that as well? Now we also have this, so we can actually use this as well. So this is what, HTML text, which is this. So this HTML text, I can make use of this. Pass this. Can you see that? Then you can just write your hyper text markup language. So we also have this text as well. So I can just come here and add the tags, which is this. Can just like italic, I guess. So we also have definition text as well. This is definition text. So we can also add this tag, the fn. So we also have variable text. This is variable text. Then make use of var and pass it inside. So we also have this is text. We can just take this. Oh, this is small. So I guess I've not shown you guys small. Have I show you small? No. So we also have small text. So let me make it a bit what, small. Sorry, small. Can you see that? So we also have, this is output text. So I want this, so we can make use of this element. Can you see that? So we also have, this is now look what's going to happen. Start from this. What if I wanted to start from this L? Now let's see what we're going to do. So we are going to add BDO, then paste it here. So LTL. Can you see that? So I don't want this video is getting too long. So we also have this is insert the text. So this is So we can add ins. Can you see that? We have a lot of text formatting on my head right now, running on my head right now. So let me show you this cool stuff that I actually like, which I don't know the meaning. So this is, so we have a call. So this tags, so you by. So let me break it down like this, so we can actually see it like this. Okay. So Lexi for Chinese. So so paste it here. So if I actually want something to be at the top, I can too as well. So we can add out. Let's see. So I can add can you see that? So let me also pick 1, 2 as well. So let's paste that here. So what if I want to add something at the top of this as well? We can just make use of our alt. So let me just write my short name, IB. So let's add text. So now guys, this is everything you need to know about text formatting in HTML. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe so that I'll keep making good videos like this. See you next time.